Meet Amy and Jordan, a stylish young couple living in New York. Amy gravitates toward clean lines and calm spaces. Jordan, he loves color, texture, and stories. Their styles couldn't be more different. But today, we're blending Minimalist and Boho Chic into one beautiful, shared home. Minimalism is about clarity, not coldness. It's a style built on simplicity, open space, and intentional living. Everything has purpose. Everything has room to breathe. The palette is soft and muted. Whites, beiges, matte black, and warm light wood. Texture comes from natural elements: linen, ceramics, pale oak. Minimalist furniture is often low profile and sculptural, each piece earning its place. Boho Chic is the soul of self-expression. It's cozy, layered, and eclectic, a mix of global influences, personal artifacts, and natural materials. Think fringe, woven textures, soft lighting, and an explosion of patterns. Boho colors are rich and earthy: terracotta, ochre, moss green, dusty pink. There's a collected, storied feeling to every room. No two look the same. It's relaxed, artistic, and deeply personal. Calm and character coexist, absolutely. The key is to find balance, structure softened by texture. We start with a minimalist base: clean walls, neutral foundation, open layout. Then we layer in warmth and personality, textiles, art, and natural forms. Every addition is intentional. Function first, style second. Our goal: a space that feels like both of them. Edited, expressive, and emotionally grounded. It's not about meeting in the middle. It's about building something new. Together, we created a unified mood board: ivory, sand, and pale oak as the foundation, with touches of rust, olive, and terracotta to add soul. Natural materials became the bridge: linen, jute, rattan, ceramics, and wood. For furniture, we chose clean silhouettes softened by texture: a fluted coffee table, a rattan chair, soft lighting, and a few bold accents brought it all together. Every piece, every tone tells a story. This is compromise, without losing character. We created a unified mood board: ivory, sand, and pale oak as the foundation, with touches of rust, olive, and terracotta to add soul. Natural materials became the bridge: linen, jute, rattan, ceramics, and wood. For furniture, we chose clean silhouettes softened by texture: a fluted coffee table, a rattan chair, soft lighting, and a few bold accents brought it all together. Every piece, every tone tells a story. This is compromise, without losing character. Ready to blend your own styles at home? Here are 3 tips that worked for Amy and Jordan. Tip 1. Start with a neutral base. Use whites, beiges, and soft wood tones to ground the space. Tip 2. Limit your palette. Choose 3 to 4 accent colors that show up consistently in your textiles, decor, and artwork. Tip 3. Use repetition. Repeating shapes, textures, or materials helps create flow across rooms. Bonus tip: add a personal story to every room. A framed photo, handmade bowl, or travel keepsake brings soul to your space. And remember, when you blend design styles with care, what you really create is connection. Blending styles isn't always easy. It takes trust, creativity, and a little compromise. But when it works, it's magic. Amy and Jordan didn't give up their styles. They found a new one, together. Their home is now a reflection of both calm and character. Minimalist lines meet boho soul. Clean spaces hold warm stories. So if you're trying to merge different aesthetics, don't ask, whose style wins? Ask instead, how can we make this feel like us? Because that's the real goal of design. Not perfection, not trends, but a space that feels like home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's learning to blend more than just furniture.